Welcome to Weekly Zap News, the show where we talk about the latest in tech, AI, and software. I'm your host, Alex Zapp. OnePlus just replaced its iconic alert slider with the new Plus key, a fancy button that lets AI run wild.
Oh, freedom!
Want to change profiles, launch apps, or schedule your next existential crisis? It's got you. They're also adding Plus Mind, an AI that sees what's on your screen and says, "Let me handle your whole life, sweetie." Your phone's no longer just smart, it's your new manager.
What? But you can't do this to me.
At this rate, the next update will let your phone break up with your situationship for you. Sam Altman wants to scan your eyeballs with a metal sphere called the Orb to prove you're human and reward you with crypto. It's like Blade Runner meets a Dave & Buster's prize machine.
Oysters. The entree consists of boiled dog.
The project's called World ID, and the goal is to distinguish people from AI, which is great until the Orb starts offering couples therapy too.
I learned in couples therapy that women often marry their fathers, and her dad was a cop.
Ordet är sån skål until år able gets locked out of år account for forgetting the password. Tesco has launched AI-powered checkout cameras that review your grocery scans like it's the Premier League. Missed that barcode? VAR says you're offside.
Ralph, you're offside again.
The AI checks if you actually scanned that banana or if you tried the old bag swipe trick. Shoppers are calling it the Tesco Kill Cam, which honestly sounds like a rejected Black Mirror episode. Next up, slow-mo replays when you bag your groceries wrong.
The grocery store, the modern-day equivalent of the Serengeti.
Tesco's checkout now features more drama than the last season of Succession. Anthropic's CEO dropped a truth bomb this week. AI could wipe out half of all entry-level white-collar jobs in the next few years.
What's that mean?
Say goodbye to your inbox and hello to your AI overlord with excellent spelling. Unemployment could spike to levels where freelancer becomes the national job title.
Sometimes he needs a freelancer like me to supply forces he can't be seen supplying.
The upside, AI might also save lives and boost productivity. So, mixed bag. It's like getting dumped in a very polite, optimized way.
You got dumped, homeboy.
My job's safe unless AI learns sarcasm and coffee addiction. Opera just released a new browser so smart it can code websites and games for you. That's right, no more late nights struggling with HTML or yelling at CSS. This browser's got it.
Barney, that's amazing!
It uses AI to understand prompts and build interactive sites and games from scratch, like your own personal geek genie. It's perfect for developers, dreamers, and anyone who's ever typed how to make a game and cried,
Oh boy.
Opera's new browser can build games. So now it's smarter than my cousin who went to coding boot camp. AMD just scooped up Enosemi, a silicon photonics startup, to supercharge its AI chips and possibly become Skynet's personal trainer.
Oh, Natty. Not everyone has their own personal trainer.
The acquisition aims to boost AMD's data transfer speeds and power efficiency, because faster AI means faster world domination, right? Silicon photonics uses light instead of electricity, which is either genius or witchcraft, depending on your tech level.
Shape and form it for all to see.
AMD's chips will now move at the speed of light. Meanwhile, I still buffer during Zoom calls. Meta is shaking up its AI department harder than a snow globe at a tech retreat.
We're going to a restorative meditation retreat in the mountains.
They've split their AI operations into two new teams. One focused on consumer products, hello, smart sunglasses, and another going full AGI, artificial general intelligence, aka robo-brain stuff. The goal? Beat OpenAI and Google to the title of first to build a machine that can passively judge you.
They are going to judge you whether they know you or not.
Meta just split its AI teams, one to build smart tech, the other to make it sassier. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Be happy and let's zap.